What's up, guys? Jason here from Jack's Drum Shack. Wanted to share with you this latest build and run it through its paces and get a good sound sample for you. So I did feature this yesterday, but let me go over it again. This is a 14 by 8 by 3/4 inch thick hard maple stave shell that I made for my buddy Michael Bova up near Portland. I want you to take a look at the inside of that. You can see that that is a beast. So the inside was actually stained jet black. Get a little bit closer so you can see in there. All the hardware that you see, all the screws, are chrome, which really contrasts that black dye on the inside. I do have a JDS badge on the inside. You can see it there. Eventually, I'm going to design some badges for Michael, and then we will add that to the front of the drum right here. So we're going to get there eventually, but for now we've got the JDS badge on the inside. Right now I've got 20 strand wires on this. These are pure sound wires. It's got the stock Sonar Reso head. That's just what came on the donor snare that I pulled the hardware off of. On the top I've got an Evans UV1. The finish on the outside, it's a matte black finish, so that chrome hardware really contrasts nicely. There's that custom air vent grommet. So just a quick story behind this. Michael has, I've been good friends with Michael for a while now. Michael has come to me to refinish several drums that go along with the kit that this matches. And they've all been finished in the matte black. They all have the chrome hardware. They're Sonar drums. So the lugs that you see here are all Sonar lugs. These are Sonar hoops, Sonar strainer system. Also, with it being 8 inches deep, it's going to have a nice thick crack to it. So let's check it out. It has a voice. It is now speaking to us. All right, let's check it out with the rest of the kit. Let's get some snare action here. Woo. Some pops. It's about a medium high tuning. Just jam a little bit. See what this thing sounds like. Initial impressions. It's got that crack. Again, this is 8 inches deep, so it's going to have a lot of volume. Great sound, great resonance. Let's take it down a little bit. Okay, I'd say right now we're probably at more of a medium tuning. So let's check it out. Here we go. on medium tuning. Let's take it down a little bit. Let's see if we can achieve a nice that sound here. A little bit of a lower tuning here. Let's check it out. Let's take it back up to a medium. All right, let's check it out. What can I say? All right, well, here it is, the Bova Black Beauty. 14 by 8, 3/4 of an inch thick, black interior that was stained black. The outside has been painted in a matte black finish to match the rest of Michael's drums that we've been working on over the past few years, and features all Sonar hardware. So Michael's going to be adding his Aquarian Studio X batter head and his Aquarian Rezo head, and I believe he's going to put 30-strand wires on there. So we have deeper beds and wider beds on this for him. And that's going to sound pretty cool. So I'm sure once Michael gets it all set up the way he wants it, he'll shoot me a video. I'll send it along to you guys so you can check that out. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Catch you later.